Today, you'll discover a valuable concept that will help you use and understand Excel formulas like a pro. We'll show you how to easily switch from using relative to absolute cell references by simply pressing the F4 key. In a previous video, we showed you how to use the if function in Excel. However, when we tried to copy the function to the rest of the column, we ran into a little complication. The function didn't work properly because Excel referred to the wrong cell. Let's have a look at row 4, and you'll see that the reference to the amount cell has shifted one cell down to F4. However, F4 contains no value, and this same problem persists in row 5 and beyond. In Excel, when you use a formula, you tell it which cells to use. Relative references change when you copy the formula to a different cell, but absolute references always stay the same. To remedy this issue, look at the original formula that you've copied to the rest of the rows. Click on the part of the formula that points to the cell where the amount value is stored, which is F3. Next, press the F4 key. Depending on your keyboard, you may need to hold down the function key while pressing F4. This adds two $signs, one in front of the column letter and another in front of the row number, and fixes the reference to a specific cell. Hit enter, and with that, we're finished. Using this little trick, the copied formula will use only the cell F3 to calculate the result in all rows. You can use this technique with any Excel formula or function. Now, you can drag the formula down to the rest of the cells and it will work perfectly. The if function is dynamic, so you don't need to update the formula if you change the value of the amount in cell F3. The results in column D will be automatically updated. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.